Good morning, children. Welcome to NADAR'S Voice, a vibrant e-learning platform. Children, in today's session, let us continue with Unit 4, our Environment chapter. In this chapter, today, let us learn about pollution. Pollution occurs when the environment gets contaminated by waste, chemicals and harmful substance. So the environment get contaminated by the waste, chemicals and harmful substances. Pollution is a damage caused to the environment mainly because of human activities, isn't it, children? So the pollution is because of the human activities. What is pollutant, children? Any substances that causes pollution is called as pollutant. So what is pollutant? The substances that cause pollution is called as pollutant. What is pollution? An unwanted change in the physical, chemical and biological characteristics of our land, air and water is called as the pollution. So what is pollution, children? Pollution is an unwanted change in the physical, chemical and biological characteristics of our land, air and water is known as the pollution. Now, let us learn about the types of pollution. There are 4 main kinds of pollution. How many kinds of pollution? 4 main kinds of pollution. They are air pollution, water pollution, land or soil pollution and noise pollution. So there are 4 major kinds of pollution. They are air, water, land and noise pollution. Now let us learn about air pollution in detail. How air pollution has occurred? Most air pollution is caused by the burning of fossil fuels. So most of the air pollution is caused by the burning of fossil fuels. Example, oil, petrol, coal and natural gas. So they are some of the fossil fuels which pollute the air. These fossil fuels are used in factories, that is industries, power plants and motor vehicles. Burning these fossil fuels releases toxic gases and fine particles such as ash and soot into the air, causing air pollution. So, burning such particles, that is fossil fuels, causes toxic gases and fine particles such as ash and soot particles in the air, causing air pollution. Air pollution is also caused by burning solid waste, especially some plastics, gases or chemicals released from the factories and fumes from aerosols like deodorant spray cans or paints. So, let us see about acid rain. What is acid rain? How does it occur? Certain toxic gases produced by industries mix with raindrops high in the atmosphere and make the rain unusually acidic. So this is called acid rain. So children, some of the toxic gases produced by the industries, they mixed up with the raindrops and they become acidic, and they are called as acid rain. It damages plants and washes the nutrients out of the soil and kills fish. So it damages plants and washes all the nutrients out of the soil and it kills the fish. So how can we reduce the air pollution, children? There are some steps to be followed to reduce the air pollution. Let us see some of the steps to reduce air pollution. Cycle or walk short distances instead of using a motor vehicle. So instead of using the motor vehicles for a short distance, we can use cycle or we can walk for a short distances. And traveling by public transport. So we can take a bus or a train to travel to a short distance, or instead of taking our own vehicles, we can travel by public transport. Do not burn solid waste. Burning solid waste causes air pollution. So avoid burning solid waste and say no to crackers. Avoid fireworks. So that also reduces the air pollution. Children, in today's session, we have seen what is pollution, what is a pollutant, what are the different types of pollution, and we have seen air pollution in detail. So in next class,
Thank you, children.